We're learning to be good readers. Good readers use illustrations or pictures to help them understand the events in a story. Today you get to be the illustrator for a story. I'm going to read a story to you. You're going to draw a picture to go with the story. Listen carefully so that you can draw illustrations that match the story. The title of our story is The Roller Coaster. Matt sat in class and cheered when his teacher, Mr. Guest, announced that he was taking the class on a field trip to the amusement park. They had been learning about force and motion, and they were getting ready to go to the amusement park to ride their very own roller coaster. First, the students lined up. They each sat down on the roller coaster cart. And 3, 2, 1, blast off! They shot up high into the sky. Then they went round and round in loop-de-loops. Next, the roller coaster went super fast into zigzags, back and forth, back and forth. Last, the roller coaster went up and around in a big circular path. Finally, the roller coaster slowed down, and it was over. The kids all smiled. They were so excited. They had a great day riding the roller coaster at the amusement park. They also learned a lot about force and motion. Boys and girls, on your paper, I want you to draw a picture to go with the story. Your picture needs to have characters and a setting that match the story I told you. If you can't remember what happened, just start your video over and listen to it again. Don't forget to do your very best coloring with your crayons.